The 2 foot right here that'll turn your whole day into a slow moving waste of time. We backed into that, and that was the end of it. That divot right there. Tried to rock her back and just went further and further and further into no man's land. Only way we got her out was with a trusty Warren winch. We couldn't get traction on big MF'er, so we had to turn her sideways and pull with this guy. That did the trick, and we didn't smash herself in the process. Winning. Margaret in position after a whole big mess of fun. We got the crane unfolded, lassoed to the dump body, and we managed to get the dump truck in front of it, kind of. Everything was a mess, as can be expected. Big mud pile, everything's running. It's got warm, it's really nice. We were sinking in really good there. And it's just a muddy, caked up mess. Half up, half down. It's a disaster almost. Make sure this isn't gonna fall off. I might suck that back a little bit. Pretty cool, the microphone took a dump, but with a little bit of spinning, we got it over top of the back of the frame. We got to get that pump up out of there so it doesn't push it back. Lost audio, you know, we need to upgrade the microphone. Good news, it can only fall at least to there right now. We got to get that pump off of the bumper. That pump needs to get up and out of the way. Figures the first time I got it in the first trip. over now. It's hard to get over that. It's making the whole body twist. We're gonna get up on the crane, try to rotate her and bring her down in position. Problems getting our brackets that are already on there. I think we gotta rotate a little bit this way. The front's down. This chain's probably holding us up. Let's just see if we can. You might just go there. Front needs to go over a little more. That's out of there. Need this corner, looks like 3/4 of an inch. Golly, if that isn't a mess. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is a massive mud hole. Sinking and sliding, and good news is when the body was on there, she moved out a whole lot easier because we have the weight. I think Margaret's gonna stay there for now. I'm tired, muddy. We got a big mess going on here. The dump body is no longer here. That's the first time the dump body has moved since we bought it and sat it here. We've been waiting a long time for all those dump truck frame mods. Finally got it done, and Margaret did her part today, aside from getting stuck, but that's more operator error than it was her fault. But she got in position after a little bit of a struggle, lifted, did her job, and performed like a champ. Thank you, Margaret. I gotta get cleaned up, get all this mud off of me, and put the tools away. It is quitting time for the day. Hopefully, pretty soon, we need to get that pump mounted, some new hoses, and get her bolted down, and then we will be in dump truck land with a few other minor tweaks. But all the major stuff is there. All the major stuff is there. She even bounced down in the frame. I'll go up and show you. I just needed to rattle around a little bit from moving it, and that did this trick. This is a mess. Who did this? Gee whiz. Look at that. We got us a neon green dump truck. That gap went away after she bounced around a little bit, found her happy spot. Need a bracket there, 4 brackets. Need to get a mount for our pump, 2 new hoses, and we'll be in the dump truck business. Obviously we'll get some other new upgrades, sideboards, work on the tailgate a little. But waiting for a long time to say this, there is a dump body on the dump truck chassis. It took a long way to get there. There's a whole slew of videos of what we had to do to this International to make it a dump truck. It was a lot of work. It took a lot more time than we anticipated, but it is finally on there. We have a dump body on the dump truck build. I'm super excited. Hope you guys are too. If you're interested in any other videos of what we had to do to get here, I'll leave a link down in the description. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.